Hi all. Hi all. In this video I am going to explain in Python how you can find a character is exist in the string or not without using existing Python function. Let's jump to the code. I've written all the code to save the time in the video. So the very first thing is declare a string variable where there is any string. Find char in any string. Okay, this is my string, just a funny string. Then have a variable of count, and why I have kept the count is sometime a character can have multiple time in the string. So with this count I can find how many number of time that particular character is exist in the string. Have a character, have a variable in which you can store the character which you need to find. Now what you have to do, run a loop, for loop, and this is a temporary character variable, and in this string what it will do is it will split this string character by character and it loop through all the character. That's what it will happen in this loop. Okay, let me have an enter here so that it will have the clarity in the code. And what next you have to do, write a if condition. If character, this character value which you want to check is equal to the, in the loop which all character is coming, if it is equal, then have a count increase. So it will increase the count. If any match, first match, it will increase from 0 to 1. If it will have multiple, if suppose next time it again exists in the loop, it will become 2. I'll show you by running the code. And next is just I'm checking if count is greater than 0, then character exists, else character does not exist. And I'm printing number of count also so that it will be very clear. Now let's run a scenario where there is no character. So this is Z and Z is not present. Let's run the code. Okay, you can see character does not exist and it's 0. Let's have something is n. N is multiple time. Let's have f and run it and see it is one time f. Let's run it for I. So you can see I is here twice. So let's run that also. So you see twice I is. That's all. Very simple steps, writing a simple code. But I will suggest all the freshers or 1, 2, 3 years of experience, even 5 years of experience, practice this kind of coding. You never know, in any of the interview this kind of question will pop up. If you answer very appropriately, no next logical question will be asked. So I will recommend practice this kind of coding so that you feel confident in any of the technical round, and even you are more confident enough writing different code. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for upcoming lot of coding. Happy coding.